All right, guys, back at it again with a 2006 Ford F250 with the 6.0 Power Stroke. Got towed from another shop over here with a crank no start issue. Customer said they replaced the high pressure oil pump, the standpipes, IPR valve, and one injector on the driver's side. So my first thing, check for codes, nothing present, nothing active. So I just wanted to double check before I start chasing my tail. I hooked up my leak tester at the IPR valve, put some air to it, and right away started hearing air leak coming from the valve cover. Took the valve cover apart, found the standpipe O-ring torn on this one, torn O-ring. And I also heard another leak coming from the turbo underneath the cover of the high pressure pump. So took the high pressure pump out and I found the O-ring that sits here on the base of the oil pump. It was split as well. So now I'm gonna have to replace all the parts again. So we'll have warranty here in my shop. So we are doing standpipes, high pressure oil pump, IPR valve, and none of this crap, none of this aftermarket bullshit. We are gonna get everything from Ford factory. This is the type of job that you got to go OEM, or you're just gonna have issues. And I'm just ready to break the bad news to the customer. I'll keep you guys updated, and then I will let you guys know what happens from here. See you guys on the next one.